In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your camcorder wirelessly. There is of course the NFC option if you want to automatically do this. This requires that your tablet or smartphone has this function. Otherwise, set your camcorder to access point and find the SSID and password for the wireless Wi-Fi. Get the app called Content Browser Mobile. After you've done that, go into the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Wi-Fi connection from the menu of the camcorder. Once you're connected, go to the Content Browser Mobile app, do a search, and in this case it's a X180 we've connected to. Once you're connected, you can go through the menus of the app. For example, monitoring, that gives you a live feed of the camcorder.